Hello YouTubers, this is Jack of all trade. Yes, today we're going to rebuild again this one of the Ryobi miter saw stands. It's universal. Okay, so this is what it look like it. So it's a big box, very big box right here. So this is good for your woodworking, or you're gonna put your miter saw down there. So right now I'm going to unbox this. This is the RMS 10G, so they call it the Ryobi quick stand universal miter saw stand. Right there, fits most miter saw up to 12-inch. So, and you can use this one as like a table also when you do some working, so right here. Okay, all right. It's gonna be, this one is heavy, and this all the parts right here, nice, very nice one. And this is the you can clip it so that it will, you can adjust it and it will hold on the bar, and you have two of that right here. Okay, that's where you sit down your miter saw, on the top of that. So everything down here, you get that instruction manual. So that is look like there, and you have this style right here. Alright, and the other one on this side. Okay, alright, and they're kind of a little bit heavy, and right here, and going to standing up that. Alright, so that is alright, heavy, and they have all the details here. And this is the extension pole for, you want to extend that for working on it. Okay, it's right here. You can extend that there. So when you extend this thing, you just press that button right there, and it will open up just like that. And so the same thing on the other side, so it's gonna be all the same. Okay, that's what this look like. So it's standing up already right there. So, and you have this thing here to, when you have a, let's say you're doing a woodworking, or like doing some laminate flooring, this thing is, you can extend that. And this thing is, you can attach this over here. That's what it goes right there inside. Okay, there. So when you do a woodworking, you can put down over here, and this you can adjust that there, and you can adjust this thing here to go up and down. All right, and nice one. You put it that there. You put it level. Okay, so there's too many adjustment down over here, so that's what you're going to do. Put it up, put it down. So yeah, and you have also another one on this side. So that's you're going to do, just put that thing up right there. Okay, and you just tie that thing up right there, and you can extend it like that. So that's very long, so you can extend that down over here. Also on this side, see, so from there, that's a long one, so a long extension. So yeah, it's a very nice it stands for miter saw. It's all made of nice pipe, very good one, a good pipe. So, and this one here, this is where you're gonna put your miter saw. You just put that thing like that, open up there, okay, and then you want to adjust that how long is the miter saw. It fits most of the you know, any kind of miter saw, and then you just click that so that it will not move. So, and then you have two of them of that. So the same thing, just put it in. All right, lock it down there. So that's the miter saw stand. So you can use also as a table. You can just put some, you know, like a piece of board over here, maybe a, you know, a 1/4 plywood, or you know, that's any kind of plyboard that you're gonna put it there. So that's a good one. Also, it's like a table, so you can use that. All right. Okay, this is Jack of all trade. Thank you again for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.